Hello guys, I'm Abrato. Today we're gonna review the smartwatch T5000. Okay. But today I don't want to do it. Fuck that.
Hey.
And ciao.
Hey man, what are you doing? Just you go out the show, man. Come back.
Hello everybody, my name is from far away coming from. But today Nesurato requests me to do this review about the smartwatch, and one partner was run away suddenly in the shooting and starting. Thank you for giving me this wonderful hoodie, a beautiful table and the lightings and the cute sunglasses.
Hey,
And
hey, cut that shit, man. Start the fucking
sorry,
show.
boss, sorry. Today we're gonna do a product review called the smartwatch T500. So first of all, we're gonna open this box and see what is inside. Let me open for you. Now we're looking at a box and you can see the stripe here. Very nice color, white color. Another stripe is here. Why cannot come? Oh, come ready. Good color, white color. Let's put this away. Take out the watch. What the fuck? Okay, now it's a cut. Kind of Tadika school cut. Very nice. Wow, watch. Oh, you can see this watch. Very amazing. Look. Silver color, black screen. Oh, exactly like a Apple Watch Series 5. Oh.
Hey, don't always man. Cut that shit out, or else I will cut your pay.
You don't pay me? Alright, boss. We put this side first and we look into the box. See what they got. Okay, another cupboard. Now, oh, this is a owner manual. You can see here, it's a owner manual. Wow, so large, so many pictures. You can see that sheet.
Fuck you, man. Don't need to see this shit. You know how to read English?
I know English little bit, boss. Twinkle twinkle little star, all I know, but this is very large font and I can't read.
Alright, man. Shut the fuck up. We don't need to read on the menu anymore.
Okay, boss, I throw away first. Later, if you don't understand, you can read. You go school education, you read this. Oh, they got Chinese also at the back. In the front is English, in the back is Chinese. You can see in the Chinese word. If you're Chinese people, you can see this word. Very good one. Sorry for the interruption, everyone. Got two pin. Must be the charger. I know. And the box is empty ready. I think we don't need to see this anymore. Now I put a white color background at the back for you guys to see the screen. Actually this thing peel off ready, never mind, put away. But before we open, we have to put down the stripes first. See how I put the stripe? Oh shit. Like this. Very easy, right? Another side we put. Why very hard to go in, darling? You have to move so fast. Why so hard? Wow! Finally I did it! Finally I put the stripe into the smartwatch. Actually, you can see this button is useless. Cannot press anymore. Just a design. Otherwise, it looks good. Let's try to open it up. Press this button to open, and you can press this button to off the smartwatch. Sound come ready. Sound come ready. So ready. Start to on. Connecting. Connecting what? Actually, guys, this watch got lot of features. In front screen, Mickey Mouse is dancing up and down with the leg.
Hey, man. This is a girl. She's Minnie Mouse, not Mickey Mouse. You fucking idiot.
I see. I lot of day never watch cartoon, boss. That's why I forget ready. Thank you for reminding me. I'm very honored to receive the message from you.
Don't tag me, you dickhead. Just make it simple, man.
You can watch lot of clock background running behind, and then you can swipe. You can change the background. This is a funny features I have encountered so far.
Oh my god! Wow!
Alright guys, let's check out the main menu. Why don't come out? Come ready. Now we check what here got WhatsApp, everything got. Why the screen is so lag? Apple Watch is so smooth. Oh my god. I hate this thing. Let me change the setting. Why I press another one, come another, what the fuck? Actually, I'm finding the setting to change, but why? I want to swipe up. What the hell?
2 hours later.
Okay guys, I already found a setting. When you go to the setting, you go down and press the display button and change the style to style 2. When you click the main menu, it will display like this, so you can easily go to your setting. So now we check out what other apps are available here. And we got motion reader, heart rate, blood pressure, physical activities. Why? So lag. Oh my god, I hate this watch. I tried to press the button but cannot off.
A few moments later.
It got dialer, phone book, call logs, messaging, motion reader, heart rate, blood pressure, physical activities. No, I pressed this. Got reminder, Bluetooth connect, sleep monitor, Bluetooth music. Sorry, I didn't press this again. Remote Bluetooth, settings, sound record, app download, alarm, find my phone, remote camera, stopwatch, calendar, calculator, Twitter, Facebook. Oh my god, I didn't press this calculator. Oh no, Facebook also I didn't press. Why? What the fuck? I didn't press this. This watch is keep hanging like shit. And finally it's WhatsApp. So these are the features are available in this smartwatch. I find some difficulty in the touchscreen. When I swipe but cannot swipe, sometimes I hang. I don't know what to do. Boss, can you help me? Alright guys, I already wear the watch. Thanks to my boss to advise me how to wear these stripes. It's looking very good. And I tried to check my blood pressure. Blood pressure button is here. I click. Oh my god. 118/77. 1 minute ago. I not even check. Oh, maybe it's automatically check already. Let me check again. Starting ready. 97/65. Oh, I see. My blood pressure is very cool. Let me check my heartbeat. 69 beat per minute. Oh my god, my heart is so weak. Oh my god, is it really working? Suppose my heart need to beat 80 to 90 beat per minute. How come? This is insane. Oh my god! What is this? My hand! I already removed from my hand, but how come it can detect my box beat per minute? I think there is an evil spirit inside the box. Whoa!
What the fuck you doing there, huh? What the fuck you are talking about?
Who is this
Just
guy?
who I am? I'm Aburato for Nesurato, yo man. And who are you, man?
I am Babu from far away and I'm coming here to shoot a video. Nesurato went to toilet, so I tried to do the blood pressure test.
That's not what you were talking about. What spirit are you talking about, huh?
When I put the smartwatch on the case, it shows 70 plus beat per minute. Something evil inside the box.
This is not the evil things, not the spiritual things, alright? This one is high tech until he can detect the heartbeat of the bacteria on the box.
It's something you called I don't recognize so soon and
What is Sunande? What the fuck are you talking about? What is Sunande?
actually I am not so understand what you are saying. It's a bacteria. You mean the coronavirus or what, boss?
Who's that Pokemon? It's
COVID-19.
It's
We-
very intelligent.
We need to sanitize this box and everything. We need to sanitize our hand. We need to sanitize your hand also, boss.
Never mind, I touched you already.
Oh my god!
A few moments later.
Boss!
Fuck,
Come
you
back ready, boss!
fuck, man.
Wow, so nice.
Hey, that I don't know why is the name of the you find at the night market.
I saw in the Pasamaran, so I bring him here to do the final
He
review.
said the boss got the spirit.
What?
Yeah, correct.
What the hell?
Yeah, he just tell him why he got the spirit.
Boss, seriously, this thing got evil spirit inside the box. You should have a look. What the hell are you saying, man? This thing ain't evil, man. It's a thing. It's an electronic thing. saying, man? What are you saying?
It's high intelligent thing. You don't know that.
Holy shit, I need to fight you, man. Just get out from my house.
Later that same evening.
Alright, we already take back our show from that Pasar Malam guy. I forgot what his name. Okay.
His name is Babu, man.
What? Babu Babu?
Babu, B-A-B-U, Babu.
It sounds like another things. So now, just now the boss got the spirit, right?
Yeah, bro. He said the box got spirit. I don't believe that.
Yeah, this one is very intelligent thing. So we're gonna try it again with another apps, the blood pressure. Okay, now we're already in. Hands off. Hands off.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment our video, and don't forget to click the bell icon.